In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a date on Docusign in just 5 minutes. Docusign is one of the most popular tools for electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and understanding how to adjust the date format can be crucial for ensuring your documents meet regional or personal preferences. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. Once there, locate the login button and click on it. This will take you to the authorization page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have a Docusign account, you'll want to sign up first by following the on-screen instructions. But assuming you're already a user, enter your username and password and then click on Login to access the Docusign homepage. Upon logging in successfully, you'll find yourself at the Docusign home screen. This is the central hub of your account, providing access to all of Docusign's features. Once you're here, find and click on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Your profile contains all your personal settings and preferences associated with your Docusign account. After clicking on your profile, the next step is to select Manage Profile. This option allows you to alter your account settings. It's good practice to familiarize yourself with these settings, as they contain not only display preferences, but also options related to notifications, security, and integrations that might be beneficial depending on your specific Docusign needs. Once you're in the Manage Profile section, look for the Language and Region option and give it a click. This section is where you can adjust the language preferences for your account, as well as regional settings. It's important to ensure that your language and regional settings reflect your needs, especially if you work with international documents or teams. Afterward, navigate to the date time format by selecting it from the options available under the Language and Region section. This setting is crucial as different regions across the globe use varying formats. For instance, some might prefer a month-day-year format, while others might opt for day-month-year. Here you can customize the date format to whichever standard suits your preferences or requirements. And there you have it. You've now successfully adjusted the date format on your Docusign account. With these skills, you can ensure that all your documents will consistently reflect the correct date format, minimizing miscommunication and maximizing clarity. Thanks for following along, and I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.